Y'all, look what I got in the mail. I'm so excited to show you. My friends over at Kantrell'S Posh.
Is it my go? Is it time to go? Handbags with a purpose.
Good help is hard to find. All right, so my friends over at Kantrell'S Posh sent me over a little gift. I'm so excited to see what's in here. And y'all, like, follow suit. I like gifts a lot. So let's see what's in here because this bag is huge and they got everything wrapped all nicely in here. They got this bag wrapped up like a burrito.
Burrito? Somebody say something about a burrito?
No.
Oh, I thought I heard burrito.
All right, so we got some tissue paper. Oh, there's a shirt in here. Oh, they sent me extra goodies. Okay, hold on. What did it say? Oh, they sent me a Kantrell'S Posh shirt. Thank you.
That look like an extra large. That's probably mine.
Darn it, it's a large. I can wear it.
God.
All right, now this is what we're really here for anyway. So go ahead and unwrap this. And they got the nice little branded tissue paper. I like little details, you know, because that just shows you care. Okay, it is extra protected. Ooh, y'all. Ooh, I like this. This is nice. I like the feel of it. It's got that like alligator print on it. You know what I mean?
Alligator? Oh, let me see. Yep, that's an American alligator right there.
It do feel like a gator, right?
Probably about 10, 15 years old.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. All right, so it came with a dust bag so you can protect it later or whatever. I just yanked it all off at once, you know. But it's got like a little situation like this going. So I'm assuming there's going to be another strap. You got the Kantrell'S Posh logo right here. Let's go ahead and take this plastic off so we can see her. Yeah, look at that. Oh, nice and sweet. Yeah, like me. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get all this packing material stuff off of her so we can see these handles. Okay. What? So you got two nice little handles here, you know, and it's a nice little, I don't want to call this like a bucket bag because it's like not a bucket. What are these called? I don't know, but she's a cute little, you know? Imagine this was like a work outfit, you know? Going to work, going to a business meeting, an event, strap her on. Okay, all right, so it comes nice and stuffed, you know, to keep the shape during travel and everything like that. And the inside feels like a nice, like a linen maybe material in here, and it matches.
Oh, that is nice.
And I was right. There's another strap in here, okay? Don't eat these. Okay, then you go inside the bag. It has a good amount of space in here, which is good for, you know, my moms, my work girlies, everybody who likes to carry their life in their bag. You got space for it. And then we got the inside zipper in here, which I do like that these zippers are real smooth. Like everything, no hiccups. I like that. Quality. But you got your inside pocket there. And on this side, you also have the little cell phone pocket. You stick your little cell phone or your lip gloss or something like that in there. Okay, I like this. Let's get the strap on her. Oh, okay, this is a good little length. This stuff always clings to me. All right, so we have our second strap here. We're gonna go ahead and clip it on, and everything has the, like a brushed silver. I don't know, can you see it? Brushed silver type hardware on it, okay? So we're gonna hook these right here. All right, and you can do it like, okay, now you got a crossbody. All right, okay, actually, I was gonna say I wouldn't wear this as a crossbody because it's too big, but it's actually a good size. I might. I might. What you think? Okay, so overall, I think this is a really cute bag. It's great quality. You feel it, you could see it, and everything like that. So, ladies, if you're looking for a new bag, go ahead and check them out. It's Kantrell'S Posh. They are located in Ocala, Florida. I am going to tag them in this video, and I will also put their website information in the comments below. So, I will see you guys next time. I'm going to go order some stuff for my bag.